Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the real book to the tune, Only Way, and identifying the melody and chord symbols. This is critical because the chart is sparse. First, set a metronome at 60-80 BPM and play the melody with your right hand, slowly and clearly. Simultaneously, outline each chord in the left hand using root and seventh. This gives harmonic context without clutter. Once done, make sure you can sing or hum the melody against those simple left-hand grips before increasing tempo. Now you deepen the arrangement. Add guide tone lines, play thirds and sevenths to connect chord changes because they define the harmony to the ear. Then layer comping rhythms with the left hand or by alternating hands. Try quarter note comping, syncopated hits, and half-bar accents to imply the groove. As you do this, voice lead by moving the smallest intervals possible between voicings. This creates a smooth, professional sound. Once comfortable, experiment with dynamics and space to shape musical phrases. To finish, outline the song form clearly. State the melody, leave an open section for solos, comp for 32 or 64 bars, then reprise the head and end with a turnaround or coda. Add tasteful fills and a distinct ending so players know when to stop. Mark repeats and codas on your chart. If something sounds off, slow the tempo and isolate the offending bars. Record yourself, compare takes, and fix the smallest issue first. That focused troubleshooting usually clears up bigger ensemble problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.